Hello everybody, welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be making a confetti soap with this soap that I had shredded up with my salad shooter. I have a video on how I did this. I can put the link so that you guys can go watch if you soap makers want to know how I did it, and if anybody else wants to know how I did it. So anyway, this soap is ready to go. It's going to be combined with my new soap. I'm not going to put any color in my new bar. So I'm going to add my oils in. Now, I usually have all this done before I ever start the video. This is something I always usually have. I know y'all not normally, y'all don't normally see me do this part because it's already done for you. But today I thought I'd change it up just a little bit. And as I always do, I will fast forward parts of the video so that it's not such a lengthy video. Y'all leave me some comments and let me know where y'all are from and if you enjoy the video. If you like our videos, please subscribe, leave us a comment, and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. That was my liquid oils, and this is my solid oils and my hard butters. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in. This is my cocoa, my shea, coconut oil, all of my hard butters goes in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add my kale and clay in. In my light water solution, I have silk, I have salt, sugar, and there's reasons why I have that. Salt creates a harder bar, or helps to create a harder bar. Sugar helps to produce more bubbles. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to mix in my kale and clay, and then I'll blend in my lye water. Some of my soaps, I add in different creams or milks. This one, I'm not adding in any kind of cream or milk to it. Alright, I'm just going to add in my solution. And I'm going to scrape that down as well. Try to keep these cords and everything out of y'all's way so y'all can see really well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance in. This is a blend of different manly and tobacco scents. So we come up with our own blend of scents, and try to get those chips in, or those shreds in while it's still fluid. And I'm also going to scrape this down really well too, because I want all that fragrance in there. I don't like to waste anything. Okay, y'all, so here is my shreds that I'm going to be adding to it. It's just, it's a tobacco blend soap. It has activated charcoal in it, and it also has some micas in it. Different colors, shredded up. I'm going to be adding, and it's starting to set up already. See how thick it's getting? So I need to hurry up and get this in. Get it all blended together. And I'm going to put it into my mold. Today I'm using one of the silicone, 7-pound silicone molds from Nurture. And I need to work pretty quickly because it's starting to really set up. I'm going to get it in my mold. It's really setting up quickly. Okay, so I'm going to go in with it. I'm going to have to turn it because it's going to come out pretty thick. Y'all may can see it better anyway like that. And you see how thick it is already. I think I'm going to get 2 loaves out of it actually. I'm just going to go around the sides and clean my edges up. It's not hard. This is a flat top soap. And I just cleaned up my edges and get everything off the sides of my mold. Now these, this isn't like an elaborate swirl soap. And men don't care about that. Some men may, but normally men don't really care about that. I'm going to texture the top. I'm just going to take a spoon. This is my bartending spoon that I use. And I'm just going to press down just a little. And I'll probably have to go back and re-clean up the sides. And I'm going to bang it down the floor one more time to get the air out of it again. It's really, really setting up. I mean, this is amazing how it's set. You can't see it, but down there is already hard underneath. The top part here is a little thick pudding-like consistency, but the part that's in the mold is really set up. Okay. Now what I'm going to do on the top, this is some, it's actually called I think it's, some of the letters is going off. I got this in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It was a little store we went into called spiceandtea.com, the Spice and Tea Exchange. And this store is in Gatlinburg. It's in the little, I don't know what you call it, alleyways that you go back in to shop if you've ever been there. This is called Cypress Black Lava Sea Salt. And it's black, and it has sea salt and activated charcoal in it pretty much. But I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. See? And you can actually eat this. It's to eat. So the activated charcoal helps you clean toxins out of your body. So I'm going to use it in the soap just for decoration. I'm going to spritz down the top. And I'm just going to go down through here and just put a little on the top for decoration, just to kind of top it off. I could put a little bit of those shreds if I wanted to. A lot of this will actually probably come off in the actual soap when I'm cutting it. Sometimes that happens. Okay, so that's what I did. I just kind of threw it on there. And I'm going to take it and bang it down, and I'll be right back with a cutting video. Welcome back to day 2. We did this soap as a confetti soap, and it's our tobacco soap for men. This is not the shaving soap, it's the body bar. And I had another bar that we didn't like how it turned out because I forgot to get the air out of it, so I shredded it up in my salad shooter and made a confetti soap that turned out like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go through. I'm going to go through this quickly for you so you don't have to be bored, but I'm going to go through and let you guys see how all the soaps turned out. And it did go a little yellow on the top, and there's the soap inside. So I'm going to speed the video up and go through the soap, slicing them. And we hope the yellow kind of goes away as it saponifies. I want to tell everybody thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Also, please leave us a comment. Let us know how you like our videos. soap reminds me of? It reminds me of a cobblestone sidewalk. Does anybody else get that? Whoops, blooper. That's what it reminds me of. Anyway, I just thought I would share my opinion. Have a great day.